In this quick guide, you'll learn how to transfer stocks from Etrade to Interactive Brokers. Whether you're consolidating your investments or simply moving to a platform that better suits your needs, transferring your stocks can be straightforward if you know the right steps. So, let's dive in. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account. You'll want to access the client portal, which is the hub for managing your account and transactions. Once you're in the client portal, look for the section labeled Transfer and Pay. This is where you can manage any money or asset movements into or out of your account. Click on Transfer Positions, which will guide you to the next step of the process. Since you're moving your assets into Interactive Brokers, select Incoming Transfer. This option is specifically for bringing stocks or other types of investments into your account from another brokerage. Next, you'll need to specify the region of the delivering broker. In this case, choose United States, since Etrade is a US-based brokerage. Now, it's time to select the transfer method. For US Stocks and Exchange Traded Funds, or ETFs, the Automated Customer Account Transfer Service, commonly known as ACATS, is typically the best option. ACATS is designed for seamless transfers between brokerage firms and is both efficient and reliable. You'll then be prompted to enter your Etrade account information. This includes your account number and the name of the account holder. Make sure this information is accurate to avoid any delays or errors in the transfer process. Once that's done, decide whether you want to transfer your entire account or just specific stocks. If you choose specific stocks, you'll need to specify which ones you'd like to move. Before submitting your request, take a moment to review all the details. Double-check that the account information, transfer method, and selected assets, if applicable, are all correct. Once you're satisfied, submit the transfer request. After you've done this, Interactive Brokers will contact Etrade to initiate the transfer process. And that's how you transfer stocks from Etrade to Interactive Brokers. With these steps, your assets should smoothly transition between the two platforms. Remember, the timing of the transfer can vary, so stay informed by checking the status in your client portal. If any issues arise, both brokerages have customer service teams ready to help. Thanks for watching and happy investing.